8:30 of Saturday morning. Niujie Mosque in the Muslim community in downtown Beijing has been full of prayers. It's a common practice for Muslims worldwide to do prayer in mosques on the day of al-Fitr. Niujie Mosque, the largest mosque in Beijing, built in 996, is also receiving more prayers than usual. As the day marks the end of fasting month of Ramadan, the day of Eid is also celebrated with traditional Eid foods. Because of the amount and variety of sweet dishes consumed on this occasion, the day is also known as Sweet Eid. There is no much exception in China, though the recipes may be with some Chinese cuisines. Outside the Niujie Mosque, a gourmet street attracts the local and the visitors alike.
我就牛街生的，我1948年在牛街生的，原来住在这里边4南门，大家在一块儿，坐着团聚一块儿吃饭。
我是甘肃人，在北京工作，然后呢，今天是特意带着孩子来牛街，因为他是第一个参加我们开斋节嘛，因为他刚1岁多嘛。
In China, al-Fitr is a public holiday in certain regions, including Ningxia and Xinjiang, two provincial regions boasting big Muslim populations.